All right, guys, Ontarian Hawkins here, passive income guru, back at you again. Sorry about that glitch there. I don't know what happened with my live video, but hey, we can do it again. I want to probably kind of go through this a little bit quicker than I did the first time and kind of give you guys some nuggets. But basically, want to talk about how to take advantage of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is over $4,000 right now, which is absolutely insane. I'm going to show you some numbers, show you, some chart, and show you the momentum of this coin and how to take advantage of Bitcoin. If you don't know about it, that's okay. You don't need to know everything about Bitcoin to be able to do some damage financially. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm doing to take advantage of it as well. Okay, so without further ado, let me go ahead and get into it, share my screen, and let's kind of end off where we left off. How about that? We should be good this time. So this is where I started at. I started in Coinbase, guys, last time. And Coinbase shows that Bitcoin is well over $4,000, the highest it's ever been. Ethereum is $300. Litecoin is $47.15. If you go to coin market cap, we can see coin market cap is showing Bitcoin at 4,111. It's showing Ethereum at 304. Let's check out Trading View. It's basically where a lot of traders, forex traders like myself, we go here to look at charts and see what, see the trends and see how we can take advantage of the market. So here is the comparison of Bitcoin to the US dollar. And this is on the month chart. And each candle you see here represents 1 month. So as you can see here, the trend, the uptrend here is very strong. Look at the long candles. That is an indication that this cryptocurrency Bitcoin is dominating the US dollar. Okay, it is dominating the US dollar. So it's more popular to be invested in Bitcoin right now. Okay, if we go to the week chart, you can see the little bit of consolidation here for weeks, and then it had a breakout. It had a little pullback right here, and then boom, it shot up again. These candles here represent 1 week. Let's go down to the 1 day. Same thing, guys. The trend continues. Had a little bit of consolidation here, and then you had a strong bullish move up, which is showing on all the charts, all the higher time frames. 4-hour chart right here. Chart is showing the same thing. Even if we go down to the 30-minute chart, same exact thing. And that is a strong indication that Bitcoin is probably going to hit 5,000 per coin very soon. A lot of experts are saying it's going to be there in no time. I believe it because I'm seeing the trend. And if you follow these charts, you can actually see as well, okay? And you can also keep in contact with the coins on coin market cap. Now, I'm going to show you how to take advantage of this Bitcoin boom that's happening right now. The first way you can take care of it, let me make sure I'm okay here. Okay, great. The first way that you can take advantage of this, guys, is simply to open up a Bitcoin account. Okay, you can open up a Coinbase account, you can open up a blockchain account. One of my recommendations is Bitpay. Okay, if you go to bitpay.com, and then if you're really going to do some damage in the cryptocurrency space, which I highly recommend as well, is to get a what's called a hard wallet. You can get one from Trezor. You can go to eBay, which is where I got one from, to just search for Bitcoin hard wallet, and that way you can store your Bitcoin securely offline, okay, in the power of your hands. So that's probably something you want to move to later on. But if you're just starting out with Bitcoin, getting a Coinbase account, getting a blockchain account will do you well. Now, I did this in my last video that cut off on me. Here are the points right here that I made, and I want to start, fresh at number one again, and tell you the first way that you can take advantage of this is simply to open up a Bitcoin wallet. Okay, sit back and relax. Now, what does that mean? Basically, if you come in and you open up a Coinbase wallet, for example, and say last month you put in what inside of Coinbase, okay? You signed up for Coinbase, you hooked up your bank account, you bought some Bitcoin, and you got $1,000. Profit it over $1,000 30 days later, because Bitcoin has gone up tremendously. Since last month, it's went up 76.04%. That's a huge jump. Look at this. This is how much USD you would have made. You see? So if you would have just purchased $1,000 worth of Bitcoin in here, you would have profited pretty well. Now, we all know that the Bitcoin is a very volatile coin. It goes up, it goes down, it has mood swings. It goes sideways, it does backflips, front flips, whatever you want to do, Bitcoin is going to do. It's very volatile. It is very active. So what you are going to be investing in is a very volatile coin. Okay, in essence, it's going to be a high risk investment, but it's going to be well worth it. Okay, I can guarantee you that it's going to be well worth it if you know how to play your cards right. Okay, so that's the first way to take advantage of it. You can just open up a BTC wallet, Bitcoin wallet, sit back and relax, invest, a nice little chunk of change, and just see what it does. Okay, and then when you get to a point where you're comfortable, like $4,000, right now, you can sell it back. Okay, because you made a profit. All right, but if you want to see how far it's going to go, just let it sit there. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. Okay, just know that it's more of a higher risk deal. Okay, the second way you can do it is invest in Bitcoin auto trade. I'm going to put auto here. Invest in Bitcoin auto trading. Okay, and the program that I recommend is called Trade Coin Club. Okay, it's called Trade Coin Club. I've been with this company for, oh man, I think it's going on 6 months now, I believe. It's been a while, I know. It's been a while. So basically, in a nutshell, Trade Coin Club is a auto trading cryptocurrency platform. When you see these wheels moving right here, that means the account is being traded hands-free automatically. As you can see right here, I have 0.16 and some change that I can withdraw at any time. Let's actually see how much that is. How much is in my trade wallet right now that I can withdraw? So BTC to USD. All right, so that's $684.14 that I can take out of here right now anytime I want. Okay, anytime I want. Now, on average, I'm earning about 0.01 BTC per day here. Okay, so 0.01 BTC to USD, that's about $40 and some change every day that I'm earning passively every single day, guys. Every day. So far, I've earned over 3.5 Bitcoin and counting. And all I did is I decided, hey, I'm going to invest in something that's going to help grow my Bitcoin. Okay. When you come in here, you set up your account. You want to come here and buy a plan. And as you can see here, I'm right here at the trader. I've invested a little bit over 1 Bitcoin. It's going to cost you a minimum of 0.01 Bitcoin to start this thing. Okay. However, you need to take into consideration you're going to be paying an extra 0.05 Bitcoin to start because of the software purchase to start trading your account. Okay. So in essence, initially, if you want to start at the minimum level, it's going to cost you 0.06 to start. So 0.06 BTC to USD, going to cost you about 243 at the cost of Bitcoin right now, and some change to start. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Not bad at all. Okay. Now, number two, I just showed you can invest in Bitcoin auto trading. Hands down, Trade Coin Club is probably the best out there. I've been with them quite a while. All right, very, very happy with them. So let's go to number three. What's the third way that you can take advantage of this Bitcoin boom? Invest in Bitcoin mining. Okay, invest in Bitcoin mining. The company that I recommend on that is going to be none other than Swissquote Global. Okay. Now, Swissquote Global, guys, is your one-stop shop for complete wealth building. Your one-stop shop for complete wealth building. Not only can you buy gold and silver here, but you can also mine Bitcoin. All of those, all of which are hot commodities. Bitcoin is actually called, the experts call it the new gold, okay, or digital gold, and that's exactly what it is. The price of one Bitcoin, guys, is higher than gold. Look at this. How much is gold right now per ounce? Okay, so gold right now, if we had to guesstimate, is quoted over a little bit over $1,000, $1,300 something per ounce. Bitcoin is $4,000. One Bitcoin. One Bitcoin. Where should you put your money today? Where should you be putting? Should you put your money in the bank account today and let it sit, let it collect dust, or should you invest in Bitcoin and let it grow very rapidly? Let it grow gradually. You see, you got to be smart these days, guys. Bitcoin is the new gold. And inside of Swissquote Global, gold and silver is not going anywhere. Okay, you can come in here and purchase your gold and silver anytime you want and ship to you if you want to, or over time you can sell it back to the company for a profit. Okay, now here's where I'm focused a lot of my attention on is the cryptocurrency mining. This is phenomenal, guys. Now let me show you some proof here real quick. I'm going to go to my email here, and as you can see, about 1 day ago and then 14 hours ago, I received the payment, these two payments. Okay, now these came from the mining process. Okay, this right here, how much is that? BTC to USD, that's about $55.47. And this right here is about $9 and some change. I already looked it up. Okay. Now, if you go to a Bitcoin mining calculator, right now, as you can see, let me get out of here. I have 34.7490 terahash. Let's round it up to 35, which I already did here. Approximately $41 per day. That equates to over $1,200 per month in passive income, guys. Where else can you invest in a commodity that's going to pay you that much? Okay, and you can compound your earnings over time. In a year or less, you can be walking away from your job just from mining Bitcoin. Bitcoin, guys. Instead of putting, if you have, and I've shared this on countless videos, if you have liquid money sitting in the bank, you paid all your bills, you've done everything you need to do for your family, you have an emergency fund. If you've done all that, you still have a chunk of money sitting in the bank account, not doing anything I guarantee you it's going to put it to work with Bitcoin, especially something with mining or auto trading, whatever excites you the most. All of them work very well. Whatever excites you the most, let it work for you in Bitcoin. Do not let your money sit in the bank. Okay, that's my advice to you. So as you can see here, I'm getting paid in mining every single day. Okay, every single day I'm getting paid in mining. Look at all this. All right, up here, you see all these bonuses. These are people coming in, purchase. These people have on to the trend. Okay, they have caught on to the trend, and they are purchasing mining. Okay, all these bonuses I get. Okay, a few people about it. You don't have to tell people about this opportunity because you can do it passively. But if you tell a few folks, you know, it can really change some things in your account. So all these transaction links here you see are automatic payments to my Bitcoin account. This happens on every day like clockwork. You set it up one time and forget it. Okay. All right. So that's the third way. Okay. So we covered number 1, 2. All right. We did number 3. Number 4, purchase Bitcoin advertising packages. And the company that I'm going to talk about now is FutureNet Pro. All right. Now, the strategy, here's the strategy. If you decide to join, I just showed you Swissco Global, Trade Coin Club, etc., and you want to get the opportunity in front of other people, FutureNet Pro is one of the ways you can do that. It is an advertising platform. You pay, you purchase advertising packages. We have $50 advertising packages. We have $10 advertising packages. You create an ad. Okay. You can create your ad right in here. And then you see I have, all these credits available. I have some ads running right now. Once you set up your advertisement, all you have to do is come up here and watch 10 ads a day. Okay, it takes you 5 to 7 minutes. Just pick 10, any 10. Second countdown timer. Done with that, you're done. Okay. Here's what happens. Every 15 minutes, depending on how many advertisement packages or advertising packages you bought, as you can see here, I have 163 packs. Okay. Here's my cash flow account, $715 and some change. I can withdraw this money anytime I want to. And guess what? It changes every 15 minutes. So I'm earning money passively with this company 96 times a day. If you earn 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, you're earning money 96 times a day. That's phenomenal, guys. That is phenomenal. For advertising my businesses, I get paid to do that. Sign me up again. Sign me up again. Okay. So let me just say this. FutureNet Pro is just the second component. The main company is called FutureNet. There's a social media side to the company, and there's a complete, robust advertising platform to the company, which is called FutureNet Pro right here. Phenomenal company. I've been with them since last year, or well over a year, and it's only getting better. Now, let me just show you some of the payouts that I've received so far from the company. Total of passively, guys, 5 to 7 minutes a day. Passively, I've already earned 13,000 and some change already. Okay, and look at all the payouts I've received in Bitcoin. Look at this. Okay, you can do this too. Anybody can do this. I have my auntie is in this. She's loving it, and my aunt is not a computer internet person. She's loving it. She's earning money every single day, 15 minutes, every 15 minutes, 96 times a day. She's earning money. Anybody can do this. Okay. So that's what I want to show you today. The Bitcoin boom the question is, are you going to be involved, or are you going to sit back and watch me and other people who's taking advantage of this capitalize on it, or are you going to take action today? Pick one. Okay, you ain't got to do all of them. Pick one or two and say, you know what, I want to do this program. I want to do mining. I want to do auto trading. I want to do tax Ontarian. I want to. Well, the first thing you definitely want to do, you have to do this first. This is a must. You got to do that one. Everybody needs a Bitcoin wallet. Okay, imperative for you to do, and then just pick which one of these you want to do, or you can do all of them. Whatever your budget is, it's very simple to make passive income with these programs. Okay, so hopefully that helped, guys. That's my time. Thank you for watching. Bitcoin is a big deal right now. Do not get left behind. And P.S. and by the way, I'm always diversifying my portfolio. So before this month is out, I'm going to be probably investing in another opportunity, probably dealing with mining again. I'm always meticulous about what I join, and there's just too many fly-by-night companies out there, and I want to make sure that if I get in a company, it's going to be a company that's solid and that I feel comfortable bringing other people in. I will not join it if I don't feel comfortable. I don't care if people are making $1 billion a day. I have to feel comfortable with it before I join. That's just how I do business these days. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys. The links to join any of these programs that I mentioned today are below. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Also, don't forget to visit my website, prodigymarketingonline.com. Subscribe to my newsletter, get your free passive income report, and maybe we can schedule a time to talk. You can also book a time to talk to me, and we can come up with a passive portfolio plan for you and your family. Okay? Thank you for watching. God bless. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.